Hey you! So there is no better way to welcome fall than with a fall utility tote flash sale. So September 22nd through the 26th, I have a 25% off flash sale on my utility totes. So we are truly known with 31 for our utility totes. Chances are you probably have one. If you have one, you probably know that you need another and another and another. I literally use all of my utility totes year round for the holidays, carrying gifts. At the summer times, going to the beach, to the pool, to the lake, taking it to the gym, keeping one in your car. They are truly the best. Am I right? So definitely let me know in the comments how many utility totes you have and even which ones that you have. So there's going to be 25% off the utility totes. I'm going to show you what they are here. So the first one is our zip top organizing utility tote. This was one of the ones that I wanted most several years ago when my son was little. Everyone had these and I'm like, I want one of those. So literally I got one and then I needed like another and another. So it's going to be in the charcoal crosshatch print, simply floral, and then the gray patchwork here. So these prints right here, charcoal, simply floral, and gray patchwork. Mine is in a gray print, but not the one that's in sale. This one has sold out, but this is our utility tote. I should have popped it out. So this has the 7 pockets. So you got a pocket here on the front, a pocket over here. The middle section is where you can personalize. Mine is in, so the gray one is actually going to be this print right here. So just imagine this bag and this print. I would still do that charcoal thread color on that gray print. And then on the back, you've got your pockets here, 3 pockets on the back. And then you have your mesh pockets on the side. And then you do have a zipper closure here on the top and then an open tote here in the middle. So great, literally great for kids, for an overnight bag for them. Great in your car to stay organized. Great for the beach, for the pool. I mean, literally anything you can think of it's great for. Okay, the next one, oh, and then the zip top organizing utility tote is $29.25. The next one is our square utility tote. So we brought this back this season. It is, I mean, literally great to organize. So many great ways to use this. So this is going to be $24.75. You'll be able to get it in the fall hues geo, the sweater weather print, sketched pumpkins, haunted houses, spooky eyes, and charcoal crosshatch. Dang it, I forgot to mention at the very beginning of this video, if you spend $100 in the month of September, shipping's free. So as long as you have $100 worth of product in your cart, then shipping is free. It will be waived for you on your order. So if you double check your order and make sure that you're not like $99, you know, just add something else to get you that free shipping. It'll be worth it. Either combine your order with friends from work. And then also for every 50 you spend, you get a 31% off item. So definitely keep that in mind when you're shopping. So the square utility tote, and all of our utility totes, y'all, can be folded completely flat, and then when you need them, just pop them out. So here is the square utility tote. I have mine for Halloween. It says, it's got the spooky eyes that says, I'm watching you, just take 2. And then I did this in the glow in the dark thread. So you can definitely check that out when you are personalizing. Double check though, when you're doing the glow in the dark thread, when you're choosing your thread colors, there's little circles for thread colors. Just hover over it and make sure that you're not choosing white, because white and glow in the dark thread look exactly the same. But you do have to double check that. So for size comparison, 4 of our littles carry-all caddies will fit in here. So 4 of those. So this is really great for organizing. It's got shorter straps here, so it's not like something you could throw over your shoulder. This is also great for Halloween candy. That's what I got mine for. So that's the square utility tote. All right, the next one is the tiny utility tote. The tiny utility tote, so it's going to come in the Simply Floral, Boho Rainbows, Textured Gray, Dog Days, and Charcoal Crosshatch. So this is going to be on sale for $20.25. Again, it's folded flat. I'm going to pop it right out. And super cute. I love giving this as a gift. You can fill it. I like giving these as teacher gifts, like for their birthdays and things like that. So you could put like a 4-pack or a 6-pack of drinks there, like their favorite soda or water, and then just some other little knickknacks and goodies over here. A great little baby shower gift too. So love the tiny utility tote. Okay. The next size up, if my papers will cooperate, the next size up is the medium utility tote. So this is going to be $24.75. It's going to come in charcoal, boho rainbow, dog days, deco patchwork, and gray color block there. So here is my medium utility tote in the deco patchwork print. So pretty. If you wanted to personalize this print, I would definitely do sage green, honey yellow, rust, or maybe even like a peach colored there. So really, really pretty. So our medium utility tote, you can just pop it right out. There's paper in there because I have not used it yet. But this has the wire rim. Oh, all of these except for that zip top. All of these have that wire rim around the top, so it helps it to stay open. So if you need it to fold flat, you definitely can. So I really like the medium size. Sometimes the bigger ones, we feel so full we can't carry them. So I think this is really the perfect size. So that is that medium utility tote. Then we have the large utility tote. Lots of prints in this one. So this is going to be $29.25. You'll get it. You have the option for a purple crosshatch, bold color block, charcoal, brushed check, black texture, etched shells, ink blocks, autumn plaid, pumpkin floral, gameplay, gray color block, simply floral, shattered abstract, navy texture, and gray texture there. So I have two of these because I love the large utility tote. It's our #1 seller. If you're new to 31, I think this is the one that you need to grab first because it's truly the best. Whether you're going somewhere overnight, it's just the best. So this is the one in the bold color block print here. That did not pop out like I wanted it to, but this is the one in the bold color block print here. I'm struggling. Anyways, I love this one. It's my favorite. So I love it's got the stripes here, and then I did the double arrow personalization in the fawn to match this. So this is like a color block print. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, totally could use year round. And then I also love this one too. This was the one in the ink blocks print. Maybe this one will pop out like I want it to. So it's almost like a cow print, but I just think it's so gorgeous. And it has that fawn on the bottom too. So you could definitely personalize in really any color and it will stand out. But that's that large utility tote. And then the last one that we have that's in the sale is the deluxe utility tote. And it comes in several prints as well. So this one's going to be a regular $49. It's going to be $36.75. So you can get it in the soft camo, ink blocks, fall harvest, shattered abstract, gray patchwork, brushed check, and charcoal crosshatch. So this is the deluxe utility tote here. This is in that gray patchwork print. It's really pretty. The deluxe has pockets on the front, so you can put your, organize things. And then it's very, very large and open here. It's got a harder bottom, so it can hold about up to 60 pounds. So love the deluxe utility tote too. It's very large, so it is great also for the trunk of your car. It's great for football games, football pads, balls, literally everything. So this sale will end on September 26th. So definitely make sure that you grab your utility tote for 25% off. If you have any upcoming showers, wedding showers, a wedding, like the utility tote is one of the best, especially that large, to give as a gift. Monogram it for them, personalize it. There's a gnat in here. Personalize it for them, and they will love you forever. And it will give you a little sense of joy when you see that person using that tote that you gifted them. I know it does me. So anyways, I'll link everything below so you can check it out. Just know that this is while supplies last. So if there's a print that you know you have to have, grab it sooner rather than later. So hope you have a great day. If you want me to set you up a shopping link, get in touch with me. My information is below to get in touch with me. And we can set you up a shopping link. You can share that shopping link with your friends and your family. They order and you earn rewards off their orders, and you can get what you want for free or for half price. So again, thank you so much. Subscribe so you get a notification when I post a new video. Have a great day. Bye.